Imagine this. You're watching your favorite show on Netflix but not downloading anything. How does that even work? Or think about this. Your photos from 5 years ago are safely stored on Google Photos, ready to view anytime, anywhere. What's making all this magic possible? The answer is cloud computing. But what exactly is cloud computing, and why is it so important in today's world? Let's break it down step by step. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing means delivering services like storage, applications, and processing power over the internet instead of relying on your computer's local storage or power. Think of it this way: instead of buying a physical hard drive, you're renting space and computing power from someone else's supercomputer. For example, when you save files on Google Drive, those files aren't stored on your laptop. They're securely saved on servers in data centers across the globe. You only need an internet connection, and you can access them anywhere, even on your phone. Another example is Netflix. You don't download movies or shows, you just hit play, and the content streams to your device. That's because Netflix uses the cloud to store its huge library of movies and deliver them to millions of users in real time. How does it work? Behind every cloud service, there are massive data centers with thousands of servers, all connected by the internet. These servers do the heavy lifting. They store your files, run your applications, and handle huge tasks like processing large amounts of data. When you upload a photo to Google Photos or access an app like Spotify, your request goes to one of these data centers. The servers process your request and send the result back to your device, all in a fraction of a second. The magic of cloud computing lies in its speed, reliability, and convenience. You don't need expensive hardware or software. It's all handled remotely. Now, cloud computing isn't just one thing. It's divided into 3 main types based on how it's deployed. Public cloud. This is the most common type. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft own massive cloud services, and anyone can use them. For example, when you store files in Dropbox or run an app on AWS, you're using a public cloud. It's affordable and widely accessible. Private cloud. Some organizations prefer a private cloud, which is dedicated only to them. This is more secure and offers full control. Banks, for example, use private clouds to store sensitive customer data securely. Hybrid cloud. This is the best of both worlds. It combines public and private clouds. For example, a company might use a private cloud to store confidential data and a public cloud to run its website. Don't worry if this sounds a bit advanced right now. We'll dive deep into these types in the upcoming videos of this course, so stay tuned. Why is cloud computing so popular? Cloud computing is a game changer for a few reasons. Scalability. Think of an online store during a big sale. Suddenly, they need more power to handle thousands of visitors. The cloud can instantly scale up their resources and scale down when the sale ends. It's flexible and efficient. Cost savings. Instead of buying expensive hardware, businesses only pay for what they use, like a pay-as-you-go plan for data and computing power. Accessibility. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, cloud computing lets you work from anywhere with an internet connection. Disaster recovery. Accidents happen. Computers crash and offices face natural disasters. But with the cloud, your data is always safe and backed up. Think about Netflix again. It uses Amazon Web Services, AWS, to manage its streaming service. This allows them to serve millions of users worldwide, all watching different shows at the same time without a single lag. Without cloud computing, this scale would be impossible. Is it safe? Yes, cloud providers invest heavily in security, data encryption, firewalls, and regular updates, but you also play a role in keeping your data safe. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share sensitive information online. So that's the basic idea of cloud computing. It's like the invisible backbone of the internet that powers our apps, websites, and data. And this is just the beginning of your journey into understanding the cloud. In this advanced cloud computing course, we'll explore everything in detail, from public, private, and hybrid clouds to hands-on tutorials with platforms like AWS and Azure. We'll even cover advanced topics like serverless computing, cloud security, and building cloud-native applications. If you're serious about mastering cloud computing or just curious to learn more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss the next video in this course. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite cloud service? Or is there a specific topic you want me to cover? See you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the types of cloud computing. Until then, happy learning.